Hi there, welcome to TELW, the English workshop with me, Manu. If you're new to this channel, then a warm welcome to you as well. Before I proceed, I'd just like to remind you that I make videos on English communication skills. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing to it. And if you've already been watching my videos and haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. That's going to help me a lot. That's going to keep me afloat. Today, I'm going to talk about a very weird structure in English called the delexical verb. I know it's a big word. You won't know the meaning. And, we teachers love to use big words, to show off that, okay, we are more intelligent than you. What's the importance of this structure? Let's look at the very basics first, then I'll come to the structure. English, or for that matter, any language, is used to communicate just two things. One is a state of affairs, and the other is action. Some people may say possession is a third one. I think possession is still a state of affairs, if you ask me. So I'll say only two things: action, state of affairs. Right? That's why this is the most important word in any English sentence, in any sentence for that matter, the action word. Now in English, the action word comes after the person that does the action. It could be a person, a place, or a thing, the actor. The actor comes first, then comes the action, and this action falls on another person, place, or thing, etc. That's the receiver. You may or may not have a receiver every time. So this is the word order: actor, action, receiver, every time in English. Now in some cases, what happens is this action becomes powerless. A coup d'etat. The receiver takes on all the power. It comes into limelight. Then this becomes just a piece of decoration, if you ask me. A delexical verb. Lexicon means a dictionary. So word, vocabulary, which is like a defrocked priest. A delexical verb. Let's look at an example straight away. Do you say, I do my homework, I write my homework, I read my homework? Confusing. You do write, you do read, but at the end of the day, you do your homework. Why? Do is not the powerful word here. The homework is. So this homework decides what do means. That's why do is a delexical verb. So we have things like we have lunch. Have lunch to possess lunch? No. Have is consume, eat or drink. What I'm going to do in this video is to tell you how to understand this set of delexical verbs so that you can use them rightly. See, communication is, after all, drawing the picture and describing it. So you draw the picture properly, communication is half over. Second, you use the right words to describe it and present it. That's full communication. You don't have to do anything else. Unless the other person decides, okay, sorry, I didn't understand. What I'll do is, I'll help you draw the picture for these delexical verbs. Do you really say have or do or go or make? Very confusing. And I'm going to help you remove this confusion for these silly little words and use them like a master. Draw the picture, describe it. In the next video, we're going to start with the first delexical verb, have. Until then,